Hi everybody and welcome again to Champion Trading Corporation. What we're demonstrating for you today, this is a Norden tube filler. It's their NW400 model. It's set up for a semi-automatic loading system. Operator would load the hopper to the left. Of course the cradle loading the tube into the holder. Has a pneumatic device. You see it's not working right now. There's a little kink in the tube up there. Probably what's causing it. There you go. These PVC tubes will sometimes start to fail. Has its 16 stations around, as I mentioned. Sick control eye here to watch. Now you'll see it rotate there, and then I've activated it. I'll get that one soon up in here and here. And of course the filler then activates. So that's your no bottle, no fill. Of course, the hot air sealing unit by Lester. The loading station follows that. The machine is running through its original controls. Temperature climbing up to its set point of 174. We're operating on 208 three-phase voltage right now. You can see we're operating through the main PLC. All the original controls are intact. See up top, there's your 24-volt power supplies. Discharge side, of course, over here from the original pneumatics. Main drivetrain, blower, of course. Look at our Norden tag. The all information is on our website under fillers, and click the subset tube. Have all the guards. This is not the original hopper, but it's doing the job. Well, one more. We'll show you. You can see piston from the back here. That's not too dark for you, but that's the piston in there. Probably about 6 to 8 ounce maximum fill. This type of machine is really meant for smaller end tubes. We have lots of equipment in stock, almost 3,000 pieces right now, including everything in processing and packaging, mostly for the sanitary industries, but naturally we service other industries as well. We hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com, and we thank you for joining us for this video today. See you soon.